Slime video. What's up, my peeps?
Hey guys! So it's Brooke
And Lauren.
and we're back with another slime tutorial. So today we are going to be testing out our new pigment powder.
Yes.
So we are so excited to be using these awesome pigment powders that we got from Born Pretty.
Yeah.
Which is a awesome brand who we order all our pigment powders from.
But these colors are like so pretty. We're only gonna be doing these colors. Elsa blue.
And this one's purple and it kind of reminds me of Anna. So we'll just call it Anna purple.
But all these colors that you see here, we're going to be doing in later videos. But like, look how pretty and neon that one is.
Yeah, and then there's like
And
really pretty gold.
There's like gold. It's like really shimmery.
Mm-hmm.
I can't wait to add that into slime.
Yeah. Okay, so we also have our giant gallon of clear glue. And we have some ordinary liquid solution.
Okay.
So let's get started.
Okay. So first, you just want to add in some clear glue. It doesn't matter how much you add in. If you want to make like a big batch or a little
Whoa!
batch.
It looks like yellow in here.
I know.
It's like-
In the bottle, it does not look clear. In here, it's like perfectly clear. Jeez.
Is that too much?
No, it's fine. You want to add in your liquid starch or any activator really slowly so that you don't overactivate it. And if you use Tide for this, it's going to make it like a clear blue. So if you don't want that, then I suggest not using Tide. Okay guys, so now we're going to be adding in our pigment powders. And if you have a bigger slime, you might want to use 2 of the same color because it might not show up.
So right now this is what our slimes look like. They are actually really, really cloudy, but they will clear up in a few days. It will look the same even with the pigment powder as if it's clear too. So let's just add in our pigment powder.
Yeah. So you just want to do 1 in the beginning because you don't want to.
Yeah.
Whoa. This color's so pretty. Here is the pigment powder. It is very pretty. This is the Elsa blue. So guys, I really like the color of this one, so I'm not going to add in the second one. But if you guys want to, you can. So this is my slime. It is very stretchy. And see how it doesn't really matter if it's cloudy or not. And this slime is so cool because it has like a metallic finish.
So now I'm going to add in my purple pigment, which looks like Anna, so I called it Anna Purple. So I guess we're just making frozen slime today.
I'm gonna take
So guys, here's what our pigment slime turned out to be looking like. It has a very nice metallic-y color to it, as you can see. Okay, so our slimes came out very well. So as you can hear the bubble pops, the clicks. You can probably hear the table more. So this slime only has 3 ingredients to make. It has pigment powder, if you want color. It has clear glue and liquid starch. So guys, please be sure to put in the comments if you have tried using pigment powder in your slime. Or if you want to try this recipe that we've made. So I know a lot of you are probably going to ask where we got this pigment powder. So we got it from eBay, we got it from Amazon. You can get them from pretty much any of those online stores.
Yes.
So everyone, thank you so much for watching our pigment powder video. And we hope that you guys enjoyed and try this recipe for yourself. So please be sure to leave in the comments if you want to try this recipe or if you already have. Thank you so much for watching, and please be sure to stay tuned for more awesome slime videos. Bye guys!
Bye!